Welcome to Bamfordrose and another forum chat. This week it's dynamics dampers and investing money on new springs again. This week we'll give a visual representation to why it's a bad idea to invest any money whatsoever in the old level dynamics dampers. Really save up for Bilstein dampers, fixed rate from Vantage S, retrofit them, set the ride height, set the geo. That's the perfect solution. Investing money any springs on dynamics dampers is not solving a problem. These cars are oversprung and underdamped, and by changing the spring you're just adding to that problem. It's also unwise to spend money on the dynamics dampers because most often now, especially considering this age of car, they're going to be out of service. So what happens is internally the valving fails. Means fluid transfer is no longer controlled to the level it should be, and damping performance goes off considerably. So we'll give a quick visual representation to that, and here we have a dynamics damper. So I'm going to compress the damper, and with ease it immediately goes down to fully compressed. And now the important thing, we'll be looking at how long it takes to go and there we are. Let's get a damper of good health. Immediately it takes some compressing and then return to full length pretty quick. So let's compare the two. Now I'm right-handed. Difficult to do this at the same time, but as you can see, the left one is pushed down straight away. And there we go. False economy to put any amount of money into improving the dynamics damper. Hope you like that forum chat, and as ever, really helps us if you can like, comment and subscribe.